Hello! I am your student nurse for today, NOVA SOULEY In. And in this video, I'll be performing log rolling. Log rolling. As always, prior to the procedure, the very first thing we do is to sanitize or do a hand washing to prevent any contamination or to prevent the spread of microorganisms. And second is that we need to prepare all the equipment that are needed. Since we will just perform log rolling, all we need is blanket and an assistance from my co-student nurse and a cooperation from my patient. It is very important to identify the patient to prevent any complication or to prevent any misconception. After explaining the procedure to the patient, we will make sure that the patient is in a flat position. So we will remove any pillows that are unnecessary in order to maintain stability in a patient's spine.
Next is to put the patient on the other side of the bed by using other blanket to prevent any friction. At the count of 1, 2, 3, pull the patient by maintaining body alignment at all times. Raise the other side of the bed and the other assistant will move towards the other side of the bed. And then after, raise the side rails up. Place the pillows correctly.
So after turning the patient, we'll make sure to put the blanket again in order to promote comfort to the patient. And after that, we will evaluate patient's comfort and about the procedure.
Lastly, give thanks to the patient for the cooperation.